Hi everyone, this is Tracy from EdTech, and today I'm going to show you how to print a completed student activity from Seesaw. So the first thing I do is locate this student activity. So this is a benchmark assessment that the student took and I provided feedback on. Now I want to make a hard copy of this to place in a student's file. So logic would tell you that you come down to the dots and you select print, but let's see what happens when we select print. So here we are at the top. It shows me the date that it's printed, and it also shows me this image of the directions, the first page of the assessment. Down here you can see the comments, and then over here is a message that tells me to scan the QR code to see the assessment. Well, this doesn't do me any good because if I scan the code, it's going to take me back to where I just came from in my Seesaw class. So I'm going to go ahead and close this and close out of here and show you a different strategy. So back at the three dots, I'm going to come up here and click on Save. This is downloading a zip file to my downloads folder. So I'm going to come over to Finder and I'm going to come over to my downloads and open this up. And this is the zip file right here. I'm going to open this up and then it puts this folder here for me. When I open up this folder, you're going to notice that you have some things in here, JPEGs, and you also have this PDF. So I'm going to open the PDF and show you what this looks like. This is actually the assessment, just the blank assessment with no student work on it. So if you needed an extra copy of that, you have that right there. I'm going to go ahead and close out of this. And these other files that are in here are all JPEGs, which means that they are images. And these are the ones that I really want because these are the ones that demonstrate the student work. So we're going to be coming back into this folder in just a minute. So our next step is to come over here to Applications. I'm going to open this up. Now your applications, they are listed alphabetically. So I'm going to come down, I'm looking for Preview. And let's see, there we go. So I'm going to go ahead and open Preview. Now when you open Preview, you're not going to see a different window open. But if you come down here to the dock, you're going to see that it's open here. And then you can also go up to the top and you see it right here next to the apple. So click on File, and then you have to actually click on Open to open the preview application. From here, you're going to go to the folder collection. I'm going to double click that, right? So what I want to do is start selecting these pages that I want to print. So I'm going to go ahead and select one, then I'm going to hold the Command key down on my Mac keyboard and select the other ones. If you have a lot of pages, use the Command key and the A key at the same time to select all. It'll even select that PDF, but that doesn't matter. Go ahead and click on Open, and this is going to open this in Preview, and you'll notice that the PDF didn't come in with it because it's not a JPEG. And so what I'm going to do is come up here from File, and I am going to print. And so then just make sure I have my right printer. I go through here, I see the student work is going to print, and I click on Print. Now, the one thing that this doesn't show us is the comments that were made, the feedback to the student. And so what I'd like to do is come back here to the beginning and these are the comments that I want to capture. So I'm going to come down to the dots again and I'm going to go up to Print. And I'm going to print that page I showed you in the very beginning because on that page it shows the comments, the feedback to the student. And I would print this out and I would add it to this work for the student so I have record of it as well.